Hi friends, welcome to the accountancy class. Today in this module, we are going to learn about the different methods of maintaining capital accounts of the partners. A partnership firm has more than one owners, that is partners, and capital account is maintained for each partner separately. It is so because each partner has separate transaction with the firm. For example, suppose Atul, Amit and Akhil are three partners in a firm. There shall be three capital accounts, one each for Atul, Amit and Akhil. The different methods for calculating or for maintaining capital accounts are fixed capital method and fluctuating capital method. First method is fixed capital method. Under the fixed capital method, the amount of the partners will remain fixed except additional capital is brought in and introduced or a portion of the capital is withdrawn according to the agreement among the partners. Under fixed capital method, fixed capital means the capital invested by each partner in the firm remains fixed or unaltered unless a partner introduces additional capital or withdraws out of his or her capital. When fixed capital accounts method is followed, two accounts, that is a capital account and current account for each partners, are maintained. Under fixed capital method, we have to open two accounts. One account for partners capital account and another account for partners current account. Partners capital account is credited with the original amount of capital introduced by the partner into the business, and if suppose he may introduce additional capital, that additional capital introduced by him in the subsequent years. The account is debited with the amount of capital permanently withdrawn by a partner from the business. No other items are debited or credited to the account. Capital account will always show credit balance under this method. The balance of the capital account remains the same unless any additional capital is introduced or capital is permanently withdrawn. This is the format of partners capital account under fixed capital method. While preparing partners capital account, first we want to transfer the opening balance, that is the amount invested by the partner. Transfer that opening balance on the credit side as by balance brought on. Sometimes that partner may raise additional capital. Transfer that additional capital introduced on the credit side as by cash account or by bank account. Sometimes he may withdraw any amount for household purposes. The term is not drawings. If there is any drawings amount entered in the or shown in the question, transfer that amount on the debit side as to cash account. Then find out the closing balance. That closing balance is the closing balance of partners capital account. Next account is partners current account. Partners current account is prepared for recording all the transactions between the partner and the firm other than initial capital introduced, additional capital introduced and capital permanently withdrawn. This account is credited with the interest on capital, partner's salary or commission and share of profits to the partner. This account is also debited with the drawings, interest on drawings and share of loss of partners. As a result, the balance in this account changes periodically. Current account may show either credit balance or debit balance. This is the format of partners current account. It may show the opening balance on the debit side or credit side. Then debit side, enter all the expenses, that is drawings. To drawings account, to interest on drawings account, to profit and loss appropriation account, that is the profit, share of profit. Then credit side, enter the opening balance. Then enter interest on capital. Then enter salary, commission, then share of profit. Then find out the closing balance.